Okay, so if you want to avoid being like this guy right here, then you need to do one thing. Don't use Facebook ads. Okay, at least until after you watch this video. Let me explain. So about 2 years ago, I started my business when I learned something new about Facebook. Now, we all know how we get when we get some new information. We're like, oh my God, why didn't nobody tell me this? Who else knows about this? Why didn't I know about this? Oh my God. And what I learned was Facebook ads. It was amazing. I could find customers by their age, interests, where they live, that could show up on their phone whenever I want. It was awesome. So I hurried up and went to work on making an ad because this was the one thing that's going to change my business. I thought I had it all figured out. So when I published the ad, I thought I was going to be rolling in the dough within a matter of hours. But what really happened? Over 8,000 people saw my ad and not one single lead, not one. So after my nervous breakdown, I had an idea. I did what any rational person would do in this situation. I spent more money. So in hindsight, this is one of the dumbest things I could have done, but hear me out. I spent $500 on Facebook ads and got no leads. I'm feeling sick right now.
I know what you're thinking. All this was probably avoidable, but hey, sometimes you gotta take a risk to learn something new. Look at me, I'm using stick figures in my videos. Innovation or cry for attention? Don't answer that.
So after I paid my $500 tuition fee for how not to use Facebook ads, it felt like the end of the world.
My pride and my dignity were gone. I vowed to make the person responsible pay. Mark Zuckerberg, you owe me $500.
But honestly, after I came to my senses, I came up with 3 big reasons why most Facebook ads don't work. Keyword being most. Giant reason number 1, the ad goes straight to the sale. And the big problem with this is that we expect our customer to need us to fix their problem right then, right now, without building a relationship with the customer. This is a short-term strategy. What if they're not ready to solve their problem? What if they don't have the problem right then and right there? What happens is you close the door on a future opportunity. Just because they're not ready for you to solve their problem doesn't mean that they might not have the problem in the future. So learn to build that relationship and have a long-term strategy when developing content or developing Facebook ads. Ginormous reason number 2, making the ad about us and not our customer. Now tell me if this sounds familiar.
We have 127 years of combined experience. We can save you money. We've helped 500,000 people just this quarter.
We have the best agents.
We make house calls. We bake cookies on Tuesdays.
I know I'm exaggerating, but do you see where I'm getting at? 90% of Facebook ads are focused on the business, their knowledge, their skills, how much experience they have, and none of them are really talking about the problems that the customer is facing. So for your next Facebook ad or piece of content, focus on a specific problem that your customer may be facing and let them know that you understand their problem and that you're here to help them. So be the solution to their problems. And big reason number 3, not leading with value. So whether it's to entertain or educate, your ad or your content has to be of some value to grab their attention. Are you making them laugh? Are you educating them? Or are you helping them solve a smaller problem? If you're asking them to watch your video or read your ad, you have to give them something in return. You're asking for their time, so give them something of value in exchange. Now that about sums it up. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and also visit my page and press the like button as well so you don't miss my next video. Until the next time, my next Facebook video, I'll see you guys around. Take care. So on your next Facebook ad, oh my God.